By the year 2030, people are expecting something pretty cool, a world where the physical and digital worlds blend together seamlessly. Applications that can exploit this will need smart connectivity technologies to be able to communicate without any lag or interruptions, or it'll ruin the experience, or worse, cause accidents. The REINDEER project is working on a cell-free, massive MIMO approach for such 6G applications, called RadioWeaves. The project partners have defined 13 use cases to better understand the requirements of the future. Let's explore the fourth cluster of use cases, focusing on home automation and smart home systems. Think of a large apartment. Within a 15-meter by 10-meter area, with a height of 2.5 meters, approximately 4 individuals are likely to be present, possibly in 2 to 3 rooms. Up to 100 automation devices are expected to be present, and 10 or more high-performance entertainment devices like VR equipment, smartphones, and gaming consoles. The surfaces are expected to be a mix of reflective and absorptive, and blocking objects will be present. RadioWeaves antennas and service points will be set up along the walls, ceilings, where external power supply is available. This cell-free infrastructure setting provides a reliable, seamless connection while working at gigahertz frequencies to ensure high throughput, low latency, and high positioning accuracy. It will support up to 1 high-performance device and up to 100 energy-neutral devices per square meter, as well as real-time processing via local edge computing and wireless power transfer. The use cases for this setting include virtual reality home gaming. Typically, virtual reality relies on headsets, controllers, and motion sensors. To avoid motion sickness, low latency is crucial. Streaming high-definition video wirelessly requires high data rates. Smart home automation. IoT is already everywhere. However, the possibility to employ energy-neutral devices might be a game-changer. Edge computing for local processing of sensor data can increase cybersecurity of smart home devices.